Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book the cheapest last minute flights on your phone. So you will just simply have to open the app store and make sure you will just download this application which is called Hopper Flight Hotels and Car. So you will just simply download it easily. So when you just open it, you will just simply tap on it like this flights. So you will just select it your from, and if I just select it like this Toronto airport, and I my destination on like New York City 3 airport. So I will be just only one traveler, and I will just like departure date. So when you just tap on a departure date, so in Feb month you will see the cheapest flight, which is date is called 23 February or 24, and the price will be cheapest is $200. So in this way you will have to book the cheapest last minute flight on your phone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.